Hi, Chuck here. I just wanted to shoot a quick video comparing a GoPro to the new Rylo camera. Rylo is a 360-degree camera. There are all sorts of videos out there already, and this is just my addition to the pack. So what we're looking at, I did 2 different runs on the motorcycle with the Rylo mounted on the handlebar and the GoPro on the helmet, and then switched it with the Rylo on the helmet and the GoPro on the handlebar. I've matched the videos together. What you're looking at right now is the GoPro and the Rylo on the handlebar. Very minimal editing. Obviously the GoPro is just pointing forward. The Rylo is shooting 360 degrees, and here is the look back or look at me feature, where you really get kind of an interesting view because the Rylo is pointing forwards and backwards at the same time. The other thing to note is the GoPro video capture is trying to stabilize the video as much as it can. Of course, being on the handlebar, it's pretty shaky. The Rylo image stabilization is much better. The main thing that I miss with the Rylo is you can see in the GoPro when the bike leans, the video leans. Now I know there's a setting for the Rylo where you can adjust the horizon, but it's trying to keep everything straight. You may have also seen the Rylo go black there a couple of times on the video. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I will reach out to Rylo and find out. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy with being able to do what you can do with the Rylo. This is the motion blur setting. It's very cool. It's 8 times faster. Really gives you a cool little bit of video. Now what I did here was, this is the same 8-second clip, but I did it with 3 different angles. Again, this is all in the Rylo editing software, and it's just, as we went through, recorded it once and play it back however you want. Now we've moved the Rylo to the helmet, and this is also the GoPro helmet video. The biggest difference that I've noticed is that the GoPro obviously is going to point wherever I'm looking at. The Rylo does that as well, but it's a lot smoother. As I turn my head, it follows where I'm looking, but it does it a little bit better. The other thing with the Rylo is it has a follow this feature, so when you're shooting video, like I focused on this bike here, as we go past it, the Rylo just follows it, doesn't move. So that's another really cool thing. Obviously all of the editing on the Rylo takes place after you've shot the video, so you don't need to pay attention to what you're looking at. This is using the look here feature. When I turn my head with the GoPro on the helmet, it gives me that video, but the Rylo I can pick wherever I want it to look at afterwards. The first time I saw a Rylo was on a video done by MC Ryder. It's a very good web series. MC stands for motorcycle, and he provides a lot of training videos and other things. The video that I saw, I think it was called 4 Cones and a Rylo, and he basically set the cones up in a parking lot, set the Rylo on a tripod, and recorded it. And in post-processing, the point of view is following the motorcycle as he rides around. Of course, I was astounded by that and had to find out what the Rylo was. Started looking up videos and decided I needed to go get one. So that's MC Ryder. Great little website, mcryder.com. Alright, to finish things off, since the Rylo is 360-degree field of view, it's like I can look straight down on myself while I'm recording. And if that isn't cool enough, then the Rylo has this tiny planet feature this will make it look like I'm riding the motorcycle on a marble. Alright, well, I appreciate you listening and looking, and if you're interested in the Rylo, I can highly recommend it. And we will be recording more videos in the future. Thanks again.